The Acer Aspire 5 is an affordable laptop with modern specifications, and it's aimed at people who want a laptop that can handle the basics without costing a lot of money. It's the latest version of the Acer laptops aimed at providing aspirational devices without the huge price of its competitors like Dell and HP demand. This particular laptop comes with an AMD Ryzen 3 3350U processor with 4 cores, 4 threads, and has been upgraded to 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of SSD, and 1 terabyte HDD. No built-in DVD, and it comes with Windows 11. So on the box we can see it's basically simple, general information. The model A5-1546R3UB. On this side of the box, Alexa built-in. That wasn't on the specs when I got it on Amazon, but we're gonna check that out. So without further ado, we're gonna open the box, check it out, see the build quality, and you can decide if it's worth the money.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**.
So we're gonna start with the package contents. First, we have the AC adapter. Let's see if we can get the specs. That's the part number here. So you can see it's a 19-volt adapter. That's the other cable. We've got a setup guide in 3 languages, in English, that looks like Portuguese, and Spanish. So how to connect to the internet, how to set up your laptop, my system information and user's manual. And here we've got the Spanish translation. So we've got this, we've got the declaration of conformity. Right here we've got the model number of the laptop that we have. We've got the warranty, international traveler's warranty, and it also comes with information on how to switch out of Windows S mode. According to the information that I got when I got this laptop, it was supposed to come with Windows 11, but well, let's just suppose if it comes in Windows S mode, this is how to switch out of Windows S mode. And of course, this is the laptop. Starting with the design, the Acer Aspire 5 features a design that looks metallic. This silver color in this case makes it so much like metal, and it makes it so interesting. Right here below we can see the ventilations. Talking about the display, you can see it has 2-sided narrow border screen. This is a 15.6-inch diagonal FHD. It's a full HD with a 1920 by 1080 IPS display. Talking about the ports and slots, this is where you charge it. It has one Ethernet RJ45, one HDMI 2.0 with HDCP support output. It has on this side, it has two 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports and one 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port. On this side, we have one headphone speaker line-out jack, one USB 2.0 port, and of course, we have the slot for lock and key. This laptop comes with a backlit full-size keyboard. Comes with Radeon graphics and Alexa built-in. These are more information over here. Thin design. The top cover is aluminum. Comes with Wi-Fi 6, IP wing angle, and HDMI port. Those are general or more information it comes with. It also comes with a webcam camera with a resolution of 1280 by 720p HD. So this Acer Aspire 5 15.6-inch FHD laptop looks and feels great. I am happy with my purchase and will give you an update later as per performance. But for now, let me know what you guys think in the comment below and hope you have learned something in this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Ciao.